Hey guys, honey, would you like to introduce our new family members?
Do you have the lens camera on?
It's ready. We're recording.
Alright. If I could get a hold of either one of them. This is Dodger.
Now let's see Dodger. Hello, Dodger. Hello, Dodger boy. Yeah, good boy. Now you're nice and calm. All right, let's see Snuggles.
Oh, great.
What?
He, right here. Yep, this is Snuggles.
So what do we do?
We take her outside right away, and I gotta wash this rug right away. Come on.
Oh, you can't even stand up, you little crazy boy, girl.
Come on.
You got to show Snuggles to us in a close-up, and then I'll turn this off.
Okay. This is Snuggles.
Hey, Snuggles. Ooh, yeah. This is Dodger's sister.
Yep.
All right. Okay, we're going to turn it off now so they can go outside and hopefully pee.